Welcome back, air gunners. So we're at the 300-yard shooting range today. So it's a little windier than I expected. I thought it was going to be really calm. Hopefully before the night comes, that wind's going to calm down. But right now we're going to try some 100 or 115 clay pigeons, and then stretched out to 228, 230, maybe 240 clay pigeons. And then we're going to roll it out. If we're lucky, we get the right wind conditions. 300 plus, maybe 325, 330, all the way out there. You can see it way down the range there. We'll try to hit some clay pigeons in that and see what we can do. So first we got to get the camera set up, get this mount on there, and I'll try to get some other high magnification cameras set up as well to see if we can get this done. With any luck, a little bit of less wind, we could probably get 220, 230. It's going to be a stretch no matter what, even in perfect conditions going out 300. But let's see what we can do. We'll be shooting the 177 today, around 970 feet per second. Some 13.4 grain JSB knockouts, very light. So yeah, first we'll try 100, 120, I should say, go out to 230. And then if we're really lucky, if we can dial this in at all, try to get to 300, but that's going to be a stretch with this setup. We'll see what happens. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the 120 range. Top left. Go for the small one down at the bottom. Ooh, close. Boom, 2-incher, 115, that's good. Going for the bottom low one. Ooh, that is way high, gentlemen. Up a little bit more. Boom, hit it. Sweet, 220. Actually, that's 230. To the right. Boom, hit it. Sweet. Second try, third try. High. High to the right. High to the right. Boom, maybe. I think I hit it. There's stuff on it. A little high. Wow. Boom, hit it. So going from 220, 230 to 330 is a night and day difference with this gun. Probably took 5 or 6 shots maybe at 220, just as some of it was Kentucky windage, just kind of getting it there, walking it in. But at 330, I had my dial in correct, but it was just going all over the place. I think I hit it one time, like the 30th try or 25th try, and then just hit it now, which was probably about the 50th shot. 50 shots, 330 yards, 177, a little wind, but I can't really ask much better than that. So this round, I'm assuming at 220, I've seen him keyhole a little bit. So at 330, we're really just kind of just throwing it out there. So one in 25 shots, 1 in 30 shots to hit it. I'm gonna go down and look at the clay pigeon, but yeah, just know that you know, there's only so much you can do. Now, I might try to end up pushing a little bit heavier slug, a little bit better ballistic coefficient, because the .66 coefficient on these JSB knockouts 13 grainers is just a little bit too light for this kind of stuff. Yeah, but anyway, it can be done, I guess, if you got enough patience, just to kind of loop them in there. It's more fun. You can't really hunt it with this or anything like that, but it's just, that's a long ways. That's the longest 177 shot I've had on my record, is I think 325 or something like that. So that's right at the limit. Yeah, 1 in 30 shots. You guys got questions, comments, concerns, write them down below, and I'll get back with you. All right, boys, we are going down. I know what you're saying. I am driving and vlogging at the same time, but it's all right. I'm on a gun range, so it's not that big a deal. But I'll show you 300 yards. I want to see the aftermath. I actually gotta prove it to myself, actually. It is hot as hell. There's the 200. And maybe we'll stop over there. We'll look at that. Yeah, let's go over here real quick. Bum, bum, bum. Walk up. Check this out. I feel like an old man with my fingers in the camera. All right, let's do this. Keep this riding. All right, what do we got? Yep, I got that going on. Oh, yeah, we got a couple of them over here. So this is 228. I was gonna try it this one up on the sign, but I figured, that's like 214 or 205, and yeah, we hit them. Got that. Let's go check. Let's go check the 320 something. Man, it is hot. All right, I'm gonna shut this off. We'll go back to it. All right, back on. Got about 100 yards more. And yeah, that's my seatbelt alarm. I'm supposed to have on, but you know, now that goes. Okay, coming up on it. Man, that is a ways away, brother. And here we go. Let's get out. Aftermath of that little dude. Put these up, didn't even shoot at him, wasn't even bothered. So that's what you get. 1 in about 40 shots or so. I think it was 30. It's all the way back up there, boys. But that's a ways. It's a ways. So yeah, got this little guy. Anyway, if you guys got comments, questions, concerns, anyway, write it down below, and I'll see you next week.